Sing, what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you eating your gingerbread house? Huh?
I'm eating the man.
You're eating the man again? Is it yummy?
Right, it's not sticky.
Okay, just a few more bites. Because you're going to go sugar crazy. You've been waiting to do that all Christmas, right? Right?
Okay, Daddy moves it down to 350. Alright, 350 then.
No, no. Huh? You better pick it up later. Oh boy. Yummy?
Okay,
No,
you ready?
did you really eat
Yes, he's really eating it. He had a lot of it already.
Oh, man.
He had a lot of the roof overhang. Boy, you better pick those up later. What are you gonna do?
Take out my people first.
What people?
Oh, because she can keep those, right, Pete?
Yeah,
Let me see what Frozen's all about. What people? Oh. Oh. Oh yeah, those are just cardboard, right?
Mm-hmm.
if I can keep it.
She take a bite.
Wait, I'm done.
Okay, yeah, not too much.
Well, I didn't eat any. Where's mine? No, I don't
Okay.
want you to take a picture.
One bite, and then I'll turn it off.
No, I'm not.
Just like Kingston. Come on. Come on, one bite.
You eat this all the time.
One bite.
Okay.
No.
See you later.